Hi, my name is Olivia and today we'll be cooking the orange salmon with sweet potato mash and green beans. A delicious recipe with the whole family to enjoy, quite fast to make, lots of colors, lots of flavors. Now, if the sweet potato mash could be difficult for the little eaters, you can always replace it with normal potatoes. But let's get started. Step 1. Prep ingredients. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees or 180 degrees with the fan. Peel the sweet potatoes and chop them into bite-sized cubes. Juice half of the oranges and slice the remaining oranges into round slices. Peel and finely chop the shallots. Peel and grate the ginger. Step 2. Simmer glaze. Add the orange juice, shallots, ginger and honey to a small pan. Bring to a boil and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until reduced 1/3. Step 3. Strain and season. Place a sieve over a bowl and pour the orange syrup through the sieve. Discard the solids. Add the salmon skin side down to a greased baking dish or onto a lined oven tray. Season with salt and pepper and then pour the orange glaze over the salmon. Step 4. Bake and baste salmon. Arrange the orange slices on top of the salmon. Bake for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, spoon the glaze from the bottom of the baking dish over the salmon. Bake again for another 10 minutes until the fish is cooked through but still juicy. Here, a pro tip is to caramelize the surface of the fish. You can turn the broiler on for the last few minutes of the cooking time. Step 5. Make the mash. Meanwhile, cook the sweet potatoes in boiling water for 15 to 20 minutes until softened. Drain. Add the olive oil and mash with the potato masher or puree with a blender until smooth. Season generously with salt and filling so it stays nice and hot. Step 6. Boil green beans. Meanwhile, wash and trim the green beans. Cook the green beans in a pot of salted boiling water for 4 or 5 minutes until tender. Drain once cooked. Serve the orange salmon with the mash and the green beans to the side. Spoon all of the remaining glaze from the baking dish over the salmon and mash, and then enjoy. So that's it, a beautiful, beautiful, colorful recipe that is just calling my name, saying, eat me, eat me. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see more, you can just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. All right, let's try.